Hey, this is a quick tip from Keene. Look, I just wanted to show you. I have a project where I'm going to have to cut a number of 1-inch pieces off of this 2x6. Okay, so here's a piece that's 1 inch. I measured it and cut it, and then I just wanted to show you I measured this one, and I have this 2x2 clamped onto my the rail of my chop saw here, so that, oops, sorry about that, when I drop the blade down, you'll see that it lines up right on that line. Okay, so now what I can do, because that stopper is there, I can just cut a whole bunch of 1-inchers without having to measure each of them. Slide the board up. Slide the board up. I could do this all day long. That's a quick tip from Keene.